Okay, so this is the Optiplex 760 that I am going to put on eBay for sale. Press the start button. Sit back and wait. Wait for it. Yep, it's starting up real fast. I have a solid state hard drive in there and a SATA hard drive. Gonna crank up really fast here and I'll show you what it's got. Just like the pictures I'm gonna post on eBay. So this PC, properties, and you can see it's got the Intel Core 2 Duo E8400 at 3 gigahertz. It's got 8 gigabytes of RAM. It can have 16, up to 16 gigabytes. It's got 4 slots. You can put 4 gigabytes per slot. So right now there's 2 gigabytes per slot to make the 8 gigabytes. It's a 64-bit operating system, not 32-bit, 64-bit, so that you might use more of your RAM that way. Okay, so the hard drives, you're looking at the local disk, which is the solid state drive, and you've got 118 gigabytes on that one. And the other hard drive I was speaking of, the SATA hard drive you have, it's a 150 gig. 148 is what's showing on there, and it's completely empty for you to store your files. And you can go over and run Glare Utilities. I like Glare Utilities. It's a very good cleanup tool, cleaning up your computer, and it'll also show you how fast it'll boot up. It says 27 seconds. I guess it took about 27 seconds for it to boot up a while ago. So there you have it. There's my overview. That includes everything on this computer, so I'll go ahead and turn it off. You know what? Let's just click restart and see how fast it restarts, just for the heck of it. And here it comes. Not too bad. Glare Utilities was saying about 27 seconds. I give it about a minute. Gives you a chance to go get you a cold drink or a cup of coffee, whatever. Now let's see what Glare says. See what it says about that one. Yeah, it's still showing the 27 seconds. So it is what it is there. Not a bad little computer. And shutting it down. So, hope you've enjoyed this recap of this Optiplex 760. Hope it sells fast, huh?